Hello and welcome. And where you are right now is in the middle of my newest video series called 21 Things I Wish I Knew Before I Became a Middle-Aged Man. And today we're on episode number 13. And the title of this episode is You Will Never Be Ready. To put that in context, I've made some pretty risky decisions in my life. The one that comes to mind right now is maybe the biggest one I ever made, was to start my own company. And I did that when my wife was 8 months pregnant with our third child, and we were building $1 million home. And towards the end of that construction process, in the first year of my beginning my organization, the builder took off with about 75, somewhere between 75 and 100 grand of my money with an unfinished home. And I had to chase him down. Long story short, that worked out. But boy, if you took that and stood it on its own, that circumstance, and said, Mark, was that a great time to start a company? In hindsight, it was, but the outside world didn't think so. Everybody thought I was kind of crazy, but I was ready. I was ready. And even though on some level I didn't feel like I was ready, in my gut, I knew that I was, but the world was telling me that I wasn't. So I think that if you're contemplating a big decision, first of all, you need to be decisive. That's a great skill. But, bad things always happen at a bad time. That's part of what makes them bad things, in spite of the crazy circumstances. That company that I started became profitable and successful quickly because I pulled the trigger, because I jumped. I didn't let the criminals keep me from acting. So, if you think that there's something that you really want to do and you don't feel like you're ready, you're never going to feel like you're ready. 100%, never. So I say jump. I say take the risk. Calculated, yeah, for sure. My risk was calculated, but if you wait around until you're ready, it'll never happen. I don't care what it is. It doesn't matter. So if you're contemplating a big decision, I say jump, take a risk. And I think you'll be glad that you did. Okay. Hopefully that resonated with you, and we'll see you tomorrow in episode 14. Have a great day.